A hoe came out of retirement for this shit. What's up, y'all? Your girl, Sande, and yeah, y'all, we back up in this motherfucker for another motherfucking video. Look, bitch. Black History Month done started off on the wrong motherfucking foot, didn't it? Look, we gonna talk about a couple of things. I might just make this one video and then come back with another on another motherfucking topic that has me all the way the fuck fucked up, okay? But we're gonna talk about the most recent shit that done happened, okay? If you guys are newer here, or if you guys are OGers and you haven't seen me here doing these types of videos, what's up, okay? This is my Let's Talk Shit series where I talk shit on whatever the fuck is going on in celebrity gossip, okay? Haven't done one of these motherfuckers for a while, because guess what? A bitch became a mama, okay? She done had 2 kids, okay? Twins, and they are 2, and they are everywhere, okay? So a girl's been having a hard time balancing all that shit along with this. However, the shit that done popped up over the last couple of weeks, especially these last 24 hours, made a bitch straight up come out of retirement because we just need to talk, okay? And I just want to see what your opinions are on whatever the fuck we finna talk about today. Remember, everything that I say in this motherfucking video or any motherfucking Let's Talk Shit video is alleged, okay? Because I don't know them hoes. We just talk shit on the ongoings of these celebrities who we don't personally know. All right? So while you guys are here, go ahead and thumbs up this motherfucking video. If you guys want to see more of these Let's Talk Shit videos, holla at your girl. Thumbs up the video, okay? Share this video with other motherfuckers, okay? And let's go ahead and talk about this shit because I ain't got much time, bitch. A bitch is a mama, okay? Let me have some of my tea since we gonna be spilling it. Delicious, okay? So let's talk about the most recent news, okay? And then I may come back with another video on some other shit that I just got issues with. We just gonna talk about that in a separate video. We've talked about this topic here before. It might have been the last Let's Talk Shit video that I done did, okay? It was on this motherfucker. And we talking about this motherfucker yet again, okay? For the same motherfucking thing, bitch. And that would be Tristan. You will know by now that Tristan, that would be Khloe Kardashian's baby daddy, has been caught cheating yet again for the umpteenth time, okay? But what makes this story so incredibly twisted and so fucked up during this amazing month of Black History Month is the fact that this Negro decided to go ahead and fuck around with Kylie Jenner's best friend, Jordyn Woods. Now, again, I don't know these hoes, okay? But what I do know, okay, from just keeping up with the Kardashians, the show and all that other shit or whatever, Jordyn Woods is Kylie Jenner's best friend, who Kylie Jenner is Khloe Kardashian's sister. I'm just saying for those of you guys who don't know, okay. And Tristan was out and about in these streets, decided to have a little after set at his house, okay. He done had everyone over at the house, including Jordyn Woods, which I'm like, bitch, why the fuck are you hanging out with Tristan? Where the fuck was Khloe? Why the fuck were you there with Tristan at Tristan's house without Khloe? Where was Kylie? You know what I mean? Who the fuck gave you permission from the Kardashian clan to hang out with Tristan, okay? Without Kardashian supervision? I mean, where the fuck was your bestie? I mean, there should have been at least one other motherfucking Kardashian there. I'm just saying. So Jordyn Woods was there, and allegedly her ass was all over Tristan, okay? So as I had said earlier, I said that Tristan done cheated, but look, at the end of the day, it's a two-way street, okay? Both them motherfuckers were just in the wrong, period, okay? But with that being said, supposedly, at said party, like many celebrity parties, they'll start taking your phones away because they don't want motherfuckers to be seen, you know what I mean, being able to catch whatever the fuck is going down. And I guess Tristan had some other intentions in mind. After all of that, supposedly Jordyn was all over Tristan. They had their hands all over each other. Supposedly she was sitting on his lap and shit, okay? And then at the end of the day, allegedly stayed over and stayed the night at Tristan's house and stayed there till 7 the fuck a.m. Now, I don't know if the bitch fucked, okay? I don't know, okay? We don't know what the fuck she did, but I'm gonna tell you this. I wish my best friend would be hanging out at my baby daddy boyfriend's, whatever the fuck she's calling Tristan's ass's house, okay? Overnight, bitch. There ain't no Uber, ain't no Lyft. You ain't calling nobody, bitch. You can't call a Kardashian, phone a friend, bitch. Come pick my ass up, bitch. You knew what the fuck you were doing. Then on top of that, supposedly, because they're gonna try to deny, I'm sure she's gonna try to deny, but at the end of the day, there were several people who saw that shit there. In addition to Jason Lee, who, if you guys don't know who he is the owner of Hollywood Unlocked, which is a celebrity gossip website, right? And one of his writers was actually at the party and actually saw all of this go down, allegedly, okay? So he done came out saying the shit, okay? And then for those of you guys who don't think this may be true, hold on, because the Kardashians seem to be confirming all of these details that keep coming out on these blogs, okay? So I believe on the Shade Room or something, it might have been Hollywood Unlocked, but one of them motherfuckers put it up on their Instagram. Khloe had some shit to say, okay? And was damn near confirming the fact that this shit happened. Masika, you know, one of the twins, she done said some shit on somebody else's blog that they done put up on their Instagram, damn near confirming the shit, okay? And I mean, from what it looks like, the shit is really going down. Now here's the deal. I don't follow Jordyn Woods, but a bitch did last night when the shit came out, because bitch, I want to know how the fuck her movements are gonna go from this point forward. 1, 2, I wanted to see how long it was gonna take for her bitch to turn the comments on, bitch, because all her comments are on right now and they are flaming the fuck out of this bitch. You know I'm gonna sit back in the cut, sip my motherfucking tea and watch the shit, because like I said, as of right this very minute when I shoot this video, the comments are not off, okay? So what I want to know is what's going to happen from here, okay? Also, allegedly, Tristan tweeted after the news broke and just said fake news and then quickly deleted it. You know how these motherfuckers go. They be tweeting and deleting, you know what I mean? So he done put out some shit, fake news, and then deleted the shit quickly thereafter, okay? But according to what I've been seeing, as far as the Kardashians and all that, the comments that done left on other motherfuckers' Instagram posts, because people are taking this shit to heart like the bitches know these motherfuckers, okay? It looks like they're confirming all of this shit. Now, here is what this is where, look, bitch, I done talked about this shit many, many times before, okay? So what I'm hoping for and praying comes out this bitch is, 1, y'all motherfuckers cut ties with Jordyn, because that's just, you just don't do the shit like that. You just don't do shit like that, 1. And 2, I pray to God that you let this motherfucker go. He can still be a good father to True, okay? But we don't need him to be in your life personally, okay? Y'all don't need to be in no kind of relationship, okay? I think he's proven to you that he's a motherfucking dog and he ain't no motherfucking good. What more does this motherfucker need to do, okay? The shit that he's already done prior to all of this has already been shady and fucked up as hell. And this is probably, that's it. Outside of getting Jordyn pregnant, which I pray, whew, let me not even put that in the universe, okay? He done pretty much done everything he needed to do to show you he's an asshole, and this is just what he's gonna do from this point forward, okay? So look, y'all can have an amazing relationship as a mother and a father. He can have a great relationship with his daughter, but I'm gonna need you, boo, to keep it the fuck pushing, Khloe. If you don't, bitch, look, and here's the thing, Khloe is my favorite Kardashian. Like, I used to watch Keeping Up with the Kardashians years ago. I got over that shit a long time ago. But of all the Kardashians, Khloe has always seemed to be the strongest and the most opinionated and the most outspoken. And I never really thought that she would have gone to the level of continuing to fuck with this fool after as much as he's done to her, okay? And then on top of that, you're publicly claiming this motherfucker after he's publicly humiliated you, okay? Throughout the course of your pregnancy, when you were about to give birth. So I just pray she just, look, I pray she just let this motherfucker go. Just be a mother and a father to that beautiful child and keep it the fuck pushing. Jordyn, bitch, you done fucked up your entire bag. Bitch, your best friend, bitch, you had a billionaire best friend, bitch. A billionaire best friend, bitch. What the fuck were you thinking? This hoe has me foaming at the motherfucking mouth, bitch. Why would you fuck up your bag over some dude who ain't gonna do shit with you no motherfucking way? You already know his ass ain't no motherfucking good, okay? I don't know what the fuck y'all did overnight, but there was no reason for your motherfucking ass to be at his house till 7 a.m., bitch. Okay? So you done fucked up your whole bag. This bitch went and lost some weight, closed the motherfucking gap in the teeth, got her teeth fixed, you know what I'm saying? Got that little smile bridge shit, you know what I'm saying? She done got a whole bunch of new teeth. And now she brand motherfucking new. So she said, let me go ahead and show, you know what I'm saying? Use this new. Look, and here's my thing. How long he been looking at Tristan like that? So, This whole thing is tragic, y'all. Okay, this girl has been best friends with Kylie, and I read this somewhere, that she's been best friends with Kylie since 8th grade, okay? Now, if you guys have been longtime followers of the Keeping Up with the Kardashians show, she's been on that show for a long ass time. Like, she looks like a completely different person. So I guess the bitch got new and said, you know, fuck it. Okay, YOLO. Okay, because she's getting little sponsorships. I done went to her Instagram. She's getting little mini sponsorships and shit. But what I'm trying to figure out, you finna pull them lipsticks off the shelves, Kylie? Because Kylie has a whole entire makeup line that's featuring some shit featuring Jordyn, okay? Her Twitter pic on the top of Kylie Jenner's header is her and her bestie, Jordyn, laying up on each other and shit to promote whatever the fuck makeup. Look, I'm wondering what's gonna happen with that. And honestly, I mean, the shit is just fucked up, period. I feel bad for Kylie. Khloe, again, being humiliated. This is some fucked up ass shit, but what I hope comes from this shit is, one, you let that bitch Jordyn go. That's just period, okay? Ain't no coming back from that. 1, 2, Khloe, I pray to God, all you do is just be the best mom to that child as possible. Let Tristan be a daddy and let that motherfucker go. Okay, hold up though. Hold up though. I got another theory. What if this was all Kris Jenner from the jump, okay? All the shit that done popped off these last 24 hours was nothing but a storyline she done came up with, okay? For the show. I wouldn't put it past her. I mean, think on that for a minute. Look, I need to know what y'all think. Holla at me down below. Y'all, they done got this, look, Black History Month, y'all. This story and lying ass Jessie, we gonna talk about that in another video, but we gonna do this one first. Holla at me down below. Let me know what you think of this entire scenario. Do you believe Jordyn did this? I mean, should she just be cut because she stayed there overnight? Because for all we know, all of this is alleged. So we don't know if they didn't even do anything. What if they didn't do anything and she decided to just stay there till 7 a.m.? Or maybe she got a little tipsy and couldn't take her ass home and stayed there till 7 a.m. and nothing went down. But would you accept that? Okay, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Thumbs up the video while you guys are here if you guys want to see more Let's Talk Shit videos. I love you guys, and I will see y'all in my next video, y'all. Bye.